Into a Tuesday, February 7th, Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And for those worried and feeling stressed by those higher interest rates, we begin today with the best news they've heard in an awful long time. A just-released Bank of Canada survey asking 28 Bay Street analysts what they expect for borrowing costs later in the year. The general view that the central bank will likely reduce rates by a quarter of a point by October and by a further quarter in December. Also with personal finances, the age-old question of how much is enough for retirement. The latest Bank of Montreal survey finding that most Canadians now feel that they'll need to sock away a whopping $1.7 million before they can quit working, up 20% from a 2020 poll. The more you listen, the more you know. Canada's Business Beat is your daily go-to for the business news impacting you, with listeners in over 20 countries on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. This next will no doubt cause concern among Hudson's Bay staff across the country. Market changes and the company's vision for the future cited by the retail giant as the reason to shut down a couple of Bay outlets in Alberta, in Banff and Northeast Edmonton come August. A happy ending for movie theater chain Cineplex, reporting a much improved fourth quarter bottom line thanks to a nearly 17% increase in revenue, a Q4 profit of $10.2 million from a $21.8 million loss a year back. Vancouver-based Caterpillar retailer Finning International also coming off a strong quarter, showing a fourth quarter profit of 89 cents a share, up 36% from the same 3 months of last year. And if misery loves company, an unspecified number of Canadian Google workers who were notified yesterday that they've been laid off might take a little bit of solace from the fact that they aren't alone. Layoffs.fyi reporting that already this year, some 297 global tech companies have slashed 94,838 jobs. And that will do it for your Tuesday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.